Hi, in this video I will show you how to do fake alert transfer in Opay. So do take note that this video is for educational purposes and make sure to not attempt this. So in here you can do a fake alert transfer on Opay. We have in here the safety information. So you need to make sure that you have availed the security tips in order to not receive those fake alert transfer. Keep your ATM card secure and refrain from disclosing your PIN. Avoid sharing your login, card details, and PIN to prevent unauthorized access. And you should be able to recognize a familiar phone number or email doesn't guarantee authenticity. Hide your PIN when using ATMs. Create a very strong password. Review your transaction history regularly. Enable app notifications. And then from in there, if you want to recognize frauds, there are actually some fraudulent emails. Make sure to not do those. We have spoof website, phishing calls, and emails as well. So make sure to not be victimized by those fake alert transfer and OPay.